Bird and Kip, Sailing Adventure. Episode 1, Going to the Beach.
Bird, I'm going to the beach,
said Kip.
Wanna come with me? Of course,
Said Bird.
I love the beach. I can't wait to get there.
Said Bird.
I'm going to play in the water. I'm not going to play.
Said Kip.
I have work to do. You have work to do?
Asked Bird.
Yes.
Said Kip.
I'm going to build a boat. You're going to build a boat?
Asked Bird.
Are you going sailing? No.
Said Kip.
We are going sailing. On the ocean?
Asked Bird.
Yes.
Said Kip.
On the ocean. We're going to have an adventure. I'm not so sure about this.
Said Bird.
Do you know how to build a boat?
Asked Bird.
I think so.
Said Kip.
How hard could it be?
Bird and Kip, Sailing Adventure. Episode 2, Building a Boat. Bird and Kip were at the beach.
Look at this litter.
Said Bird.
I should pick it up.
Bird picked up the litter. Kip put his toolbox down. He took out his saw and hammer. And he started building his boat. Kip didn't really know how to build it. But he did the best he could.
I can't wait to go sailing,
he said. Just then a huge wave came in. It crashed into Kip's boat. Splash!
My boat!
Cried Kip. Bird was dragging a box up the beach. The wave crashed into Bird. Sploosh! Bird fell into the box.
Squawk!
She cried. Then the box zoomed straight toward Kip.
Look out!
Cried Bird. Crash! Now Kip was in the box too. And the box was headed for the ocean. Bird and Kip, Sailing Adventure. Episode 3, Lost at Sea. Bird and Kip were out on the ocean. The box floated on the waves. It bobbed up and down.
We're sailing, Kip!
Said Bird.
And I'm having a lot of fun!
But Kip wasn't having fun at all.
We're lost!
He cried.
We'll be lost at sea forever! Don't be silly, Kip.
said Bird.
We won't be lost at sea forever. We're not even lost. I miss my hole.
Cried Kip.
And I miss our tree. I don't like sailing anymore.
Soon the box landed on some rocks.
Oh no!
Said Kip.
Now we're stuck in a faraway land! No, we aren't,
Said Bird.
We're still home. See? There's the roller coaster.
Said Kip.
You're right. Do you know what this means?
Asked Kip.
We sailed all the way around the world.